Alright, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
In this day and age, with people taking things for granted, the world around us is being affected. The biological balance of nature is under attack, and many species will become extinct if we do not inform future generations, slow deforestation, and hunt and fish less. Have you ever littered? Have you ever found yourself wondering, will my children be able to fish these streams? Or have you ever thought to yourself, will I ever be able to show my son the joys of hunting? Have you talked to your kids about the impact that they have on nature? If such things have ever troubled you, there are things that can still be done. By making a conscious effort to not pollute, to not cut down trees needlessly, and fish during appropriate times, you can aid in the conservation of wildlife. You can also get the word out about how important conservation is to our world by informing future generations. I'll share with you some things that everybody should know about our effect on ecological systems. Wildlife is in need of being protected from negative human interaction. Pollution to water and soil cause damage to even the largest of ecosystems. Deforestation is one of the biggest dangers to wildlife habitats. As you can see in this graph here, causes of tropical deforestation from 2000 to 2005 include smallholder agriculture, 35 to 45%, cattle pasture, 20 to 25%, large-scale agriculture, 15 to 20%, logging, 10 to 15%, and other. Other includes urbanization, infrastructure development, forest fires not for agriculture, hydroelectric projects, and fuel wood collection. Perhaps the greatest threat that faces many species is the widespread destruction of habitat. Deforestation, farming, overgrazing, and development all result in irreversible changes. Soil compaction, erosion, desertification, and alteration of local climate conditions. Such land use practices vastly alter or even eliminate wildlife habitat. In areas where rare species are present, habitat destruction can quickly force a species to extinction. Yes, ma'am. Overfishing and hunting are causing extinction and endangerment of species populations. Hunting caused the Tasmanian tiger and the dodo bird to become extinct. Overfishing of rivers, lakes, and sea has caused the population of bluefin tuna and Chinook salmon to decrease to endangered levels. However, we can conserve wildlife and help those species by continuing to put forth that conscious effort. By informing future generations, you can take the easiest route to conserve wildlife. As Sibylle Klesendorf, the managing director of the Species Conservation Program, who has a PhD in wildlife science, has said, young people are the future of conservation, and we must inspire them. We must lead them by our example. Ensuring understanding of the importance of hunting and fishing seasons is also a very important step. The regulations are in place to maintain a balance between how many are born and how many are hunted every year. By decreasing pollution and using biodegradable resources to become more earth-friendly or going green, you can do your part to aid in the wildlife conservation. To sum it all up, wildlife conservation is something that everybody needs to take a part in. If we do not act now, species populations will continue to dwindle to numbers that are either in the endangered level or possibly extinction. Hopefully, by teaching our children the importance of wildlife, we will be able to conserve more and more each and every year. If we do not change our ways now, wildlife will soon disappear. The rivers and oceans will run out of the delicacies that they provide for us, and forest creatures will disappear. If we continue the deforestation, trees will not be around to clean the air in our atmosphere.